All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. So my name is Amy Connor, and I am a Diamond Wellness Advocate with doTERRA. And today I want to talk with you about the power of castor oil. So castor oil is one of the newer products with doTERRA, and I want to talk about this natural approach to whole body wellness that this amazing product can give you and your family. So castor oil has an incredibly long history. It was used in ancient Egypt, India, and China for beauty, detoxification, and general wellness support. Cultures all over the world valued it because it was simple, natural, and effective. Today, we're rediscovering that same wisdom. Castor oil is rich in renolic acid, which helps hydrate the skin, soothe tension, and support overall comfort in the body. And when you pair it with a castor oil pack or a navel patch, it becomes a really calming, grounding wellness ritual that's easy to use every day. doTERRA's castor oil is made with the same high standards as our essential oils. So you know you're getting something truly pure and safe. It's great for sensitive skin and kids, and really for your whole body. It's organic, cold pressed, hexane-free, vegan, and CPTG certified. And here's a fun fact. It actually takes around 450 to 500 castor seeds to make just one bottle. These plants grow with very little irrigation, and the seeds are cold pressed to get that thick golden oil. We source our castor oil from Gujarat, India, which is actually the castor oil capital of the world. More than 80% of the world's castor oil comes from smallholder farmers there. Many still harvest by hand, and castor is a really important crop to their families. doTERRA helps support them with training in sustainable farming, things like crop rotation and soil health, so they can improve their yields and stay resilient through challenges like monsoons or heat waves. Castor oil is especially unique because it's rich in renolic acid, a fatty acid you won't find in any other plant. This is what makes castor oil so effective. Renolic acid helps strengthen the skin barrier, improve hydration, and reduce moisture loss. In simple terms, it helps your skin hold onto water better, keeping it soft, supple, and protected. Castor oil is just as valuable today as it was in ancient times. And what makes it so unique is how many different areas of wellness it can support. It can help calm the nervous system and may support healthy vagal tone, which encourages the body to shift into that rest and digest state. It also strengthens the skin barrier by drawing in moisture and locking it in, making it great for dry or irritated skin. On top of that, castor oil creates a really soothing self-care ritual. Using castor oil pack or applying it around the navel can feel grounding and relaxing. And for women, it can be especially supportive during our monthly cycles by helping ease tension and encouraging a sense of balance. So even though castor oil has been used for thousands of years, it remains a simple, powerful, and multi-purpose tool for everyday use. Castor oil is just as valuable today as it was throughout history, and one of the reasons it stood the test of time is because its benefits are so wide-ranging. One area where castor oil is especially interesting is its connection to the nervous system and vagal tone. The belly button region is actually a major hub of nerve endings and connective tissue that links directly to the vagus nerve, our body's main parasympathetic nerve, the one that's responsible for helping us relax, digest, and feel regulated. When you apply castor oil around the navel, you're stimulating an area that may help encourage those rest and digest responses. Many people find that this simple practice helps calm the nervous system, supports more regular digestion, and even contributes to more balanced hormones. And you can take this ritual a step further by adding essential oils like lavender, Roman chamomile, or frankincense, which naturally enhance that soothing, grounding effect. While we still need more formal research specifically on belly button oiling, what we do know is that castor oil penetrates deeply through the skin and connective tissue, which helps explain why so many people experience such profound relaxation and comfort from this practice. It's a gentle, accessible way to support your body's natural rhythms and invite more calm into your daily routine. When we use castor oil on the skin, it works in two really helpful ways. It draws moisture into the skin, and it also locks that moisture in. That combination makes it especially good for dry, irritated, or aging skin. Clinical studies show that castor oil can increase hydration in the top layer of the skin, help protect the collagen and elastin structure by strengthening the lipid barrier, and even reduce mild skin irritations or dermatitis. It's naturally rich in vitamin E and omega-9 fatty acids, which can also help nourish and soften the skin. If you want to enhance these skin benefits even more, you can pair your castor oil with supportive essential oils like frankincense, yarrow palm, immortelle, or lavender. These oils complement castor oil beautifully and can elevate your overall skincare routine. In the past, castor oil was often taken internally, but today it's much more common and much gentler to use topically as part of a soothing self-care routine. Many women love applying a small amount of castor oil over the abdomen and pairing it with a warm compress or castor oil pack. The warmth combined with the moisture from the oil creates a calming, almost spa-like experience. It helps the body slow down, release tension, and ease into deeper rest. This practice isn't just about what castor oil can do physically. It's also about how it feels. It creates a moment that's nourishing, grounding, and supportive, almost like giving yourself permission to pause and care for your body. To enhance that relaxing effect, you can add essential oils such as cypress, helichrysum, peppermint, rosemary, or ginger. Many women find that a simple nightly castor oil routine can be one of the most grounding things they can do for themselves. Using a castor oil pack over the abdomen adds warmth and relaxation and can be especially comforting during times of cramping, bloating, or emotional tension. It creates a moment of pause, supporting circulation, easing stress, and helping you reconnect with your body. You can elevate this ritual by adding essential oils that support women's wellness, like marjoram for comfort, clary sage during monthly cycles, fennel for grounding, lavender for relaxation, geranium for balance, and ylang-ylang for emotional uplift. Blends like Clary Calm or Revitazine are also great choices. Just adding a drop of geranium, ylang-ylang, or Clary Calm to your castor oil pack can help you unwind, release tension, and truly enjoy the ritual of caring for your body. There are lots of ways to use castor oil, but I want to highlight the 3 methods that most people find easiest and most effective. The first is a castor oil pack. This is the classic method you've probably heard of. You simply drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil onto your pack, add essential oils if you like, and place it over the abdomen, the liver, or anywhere you want targeted support. Leave it on for about 30 to 60 minutes or even overnight if that feels comfortable. And here's a pro tip. Adding a warm compress on top can make the experience even more soothing and effective. The second method is a navel patch. This is a simple, gentle way to work with the nervous system and support overall balance. Just place 1 to 2 drops of castor oil directly into the belly button and cover with a small patch. Many people love this method because it's effortless and can be done while you sleep. And lastly, there's the spot application. This is great when you want to target specific areas like the eyebrows, joints, scalp, dry patches, or even your lymph nodes. Castor oil works beautifully here because it acts as a humectant. I can never say that word. It acts as a humectant, which means it's drawing moisture into the skin, and an occlusive, locking that moisture in. That combination makes it especially helpful for dry, irritated, or aging skin. And one quick note, castor oil can stain your fabric. So anytime you're using larger amounts or doing pack work, make sure you're wearing like older clothing or like put a towel down and stuff to protect your bedding or your furniture. Okay, let's walk through a few simple ways that you can use castor oil from head to toe. For scalp and hair, you can massage a small amount into the scalp 1 to 2 times a week before washing your hair. This helps support healthy circulation and deep hydration. For even better results, pair it with essential oils like rosemary, cedarwood, or peppermint. For lashes and brows, apply a tiny amount each night using a clean mascara wand or Q-tip. This helps nourish those delicate hairs and support moisture and strength over time. And when it comes to women's monthly support, applying a castor oil pack over the liver area on the right side under the rib cage can be very soothing. Aim for 3 to 5 times a week for 30 to 60 minutes. You can pair this routine with Revitazen or Clary-Calm to enhance the calming benefits. For digestive support and bloating, digestive support and or bloating, apply castor oil to the lower abdomen and use either a navel patch or a castor oil pack. Digestion is a great essential oil blend to layer with this, and ginger or supermint are wonderful alternatives. To help the body move with more ease, massage castor oil into joints or areas of muscle tension like your knees, shoulders, or back. Essential oils like Deep Blue, Aroma Touch, or Copaiba pair beautifully with this approach. And finally, for dry areas, for dry skin or rough areas, apply a castor oil to places like the heels, elbows, hands, and lips. It's incredibly nourishing, especially when paired with oils such as lavender, frankincense, or immortelle. Now let's go over a few easy and effective castor oil blends that you can make at home. First, we have the women's blend. Combine 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 5 drops of either clary sage or Clary-Calm, 3 drops of geranium, and 2 drops of copaiba. Apply this blend to the lower abdomen daily for gentle ongoing support. Next is the navel patch. Mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with 2 drops of the Revitazen detoxification blend. Apply it directly into the belly button and cover with the patch overnight. In the morning, just wipe away any excess oil. It's simple, grounding, and deeply supportive for overall balance. Castor oil is one of those incredible natural products that truly supports every stage of life, from babies all the way up to aging adults. For babies, castor oil offers gentle, natural moisture that's perfect for delicate, developing skin. You can mix a small amount of mild carrier oil like almond, coconut, apricot, or jojoba and use it during calming routines such as an infant massage. It helps keep their skin soft and nourished while also creating a soothing bonding experience. For children, as they grow and become more active, their skin can get dry or rough from play. Castor oil helps replenish moisture and soften those areas, especially on the knees, elbows, and dry patches. Apply it after bath time or as part of the bedtime routine to help keep their skin smooth and healthy. For teens, castor oil becomes a great natural tool for supporting clearer looking skin during those hormonal changes. It can also be massaged into the lower abdomen to bring gentle comfort during monthly cycles and works wonderfully for hair and scalp health to support shine and balance. For women, castor oil is truly a wellness staple. It provides deep hydration for the skin, supports abdominal comfort, and helps ease tired muscles. Whether it's used for beauty care, a relaxing castor oil pack, or part of a nighttime routine, it's a versatile way to nurture both body and mind. For men, castor oil is great for daily self-care too. It's excellent for moisturizing the skin, softening beards, and even for post-workout recovery when massaged into sore joints or tense muscles. And for aging adults, castor oil helps bring back hydration to dry, mature skin while also supporting flexibility and comfort in the joints. Used daily, it helps maintain soft, nourished skin and an overall sense of ease and mobility. There are 3 different ways to purchase doTERRA castor oil, and I'm going to walk you through each one. The first way is retail. Now, no one here is going to buy retail. Retail pricing is the most expensive way to purchase oils, and it's really meant for professional and clinical settings like a chiropractor's office, a spa, or a wellness center. It's great for those types of businesses, but not the best option for personal use. The second way is wholesale, which is kind of like having a Costco membership. So with this Costco membership, there's no fee. This free option gives you the access to all of doTERRA's products at 25% below retail. It's a simple way to save on every order and get the best pricing without any pressure or requirements to sell. And then there's a third way, which is my favorite, which is below wholesale. This is the smartest and most rewarding way to buy your oils. It gives you all of the wholesale savings plus extra perks like product points, free gifts, and exclusive promotions. It's the way I always purchase my oils and the way I recommend for anyone who wants to make the most of their wellness investment. So doTERRA isn't just an essential oil company. It's really a complete wellness brand. In addition to all of our incredible essential oils and castor oil, doTERRA offers a full line of wellness products. You'll find everything from personal care and skincare to supplements and natural solutions for your home. When you get started with a wholesale membership, you're not just saving 25% on every product, you're also getting so much more. You'll receive a welcome package to help you get started, a personal consultation to create a plan that fits your goals, and access to our private VIP education group where you can keep learning and connecting. You'll also enjoy community support, fun giveaways, ongoing education, and even opportunities to earn free product. It's truly about more than just oils. It's about being part of a wellness community that supports you every step of the way. One of the best things about getting started with doTERRA is that you can completely customize your own kit. When you're purchasing your castor oil, you can build a wellness order that fits your exact needs and goals. Maybe you want to focus on relaxation, digestion, skin health, or women's hormone support. Whatever your priorities are, you get to create the perfect combination of products for you. The great news is that customizing your kit is totally free. There's no extra fee or requirement. You just choose the products you want and you'll automatically unlock wholesale pricing, which saves you 25% off everything, including for future purchases. Including future purchases. And while you're adding your castor oil, it's the perfect time to add a few essential oils to your cart too. Oils like lavender, frankincense, and clary sage pair beautifully with castor oil to enhance its benefits, whether you're using it for self-care, hormone balance, or skin support. This way you can create your own personalized routine right from day one and really start experiencing the full doTERRA difference. That brings us to the end of our class, and I hope you guys learned something new and feel inspired to start using it in your daily wellness routine. If you're ready to order or want help customizing your kit, just comment in the chat or reach out to me personally. You can email, text, call, or message me on social media. I'll be happy to walk you through the process and make sure you get the best options for your goals. Thank you so much for joining me and spending this time learning about natural wellness. And don't forget to follow me on YouTube and Instagram for more education, wellness tips, and essential oil inspiration. I can't wait to connect with you and help you start your castor oil journey. Thanks, guys. Have a good night. Bye.